What's up, guys? Subscribe, ring the bell for notification, and don't forget thumbs up. Hey guys, what's going on this morning? Guys, this morning right now. Listen, look, thunderstorms. See, there's lightning on camera. Okay, that's why it's listen. It was rain this morning. It was heavy rain this morning. That's a lot. Yeah. Let's see lightning on camera. Ooh, let's see that. Oh guys, listen to this weather. It's nature. This weather is the best. Yeah, it is the best weather ever. Ooh! Guys, see that? I got it on camera. That's cool. Guys, this weather is part of nature. It is nature. It's called weather of nature. And that's right, guys. Guys, look at the rain coming down. Look, it's raining again. Oh, guys, it is good. Yeah, guys, you will love this weather, guys. You guys love this video, guys. If you like this, video, this is all about. It's weather right now. It's raining. It's heavy rain right now. Heavy rain. It's right now. And lightning too. Yeah. Look at that, guys. This is cool. I'm gonna do that. I've been make videos outside. Do this lately. I can't be outside do a video outside. Well, I can't. Now I can. Yeah, I did. Hey guys. Enjoy this video, guys. Let's see this. Beautiful of lightning. Yeah, lightning strikes. You can see it. That is above us right now. This lightning. This lightning is above us right now. Above us. You see right here, yeah. You see it in close lightning. You see it a sunrise. I'll put it up here so you see it. Right. Maybe we'll get a camera on. Hold on, let's see. Maybe we'll, no, I don't know. Oh, there you go, guys, I got it. Awesome, we did it. We got a camera, guys. We saw it. That's cool. Yep, whoa. Guys, you hear the big clap. Guys, you hear the big clap and thunder. That'd be a loudest. It'll be a like a loudest thunder. You hear it. You will hear this. This is cool. It's morning, guys. It's morning rain and morning thunderstorms. It's morning. It's right here. The thunder hits. The thunder hits right here. Yeah. That's the rain, guys. Hey guys, so go check it out. The new video which just came out from yesterday, Wednesday. We were outside with me and Joe. We were playing the basketball outside. Check that out. Maybe you will. Got a little bit of the card on it. Check it out. Here comes the rain, guys. It says we're heavy rain again. Look, there it goes. Got the rain. Beautiful weather, guys. You know what? I love this. The super view. I changed my lens to super view. That's a good one. Whoa! Have you seen that lightning? Guys, super view is a good idea. That's great, right? That's a lot of fun as well. Super view lens. I changed my lens to super view. That's a good thing, right? Let's see everything. Right. It's the rain, guys. I can't even be outside right here. I got there this grass. The grass right here. I can't be on the grass. I can't. It's too dangerous. I can't be on the grass. The thunderstorms are going on right now. I can't. I would be right here in the. I'd be in here in the porch, not in the grass. I can't. This grass is all wet. It's wet. It is wet. This is nice weather, guys. This is spring weather, guys. Spring thunderstorms. That is right now. Guys, I think in the spring it will be over soon. It will be over. It will. Heck yeah. It will. Guys, it will be let's be quiet. Let's listen to the guys. I will be quiet. I'm not talking right now. I want you guys to listen to this weather going on right now. Let's do it. Just listen. Listen to this weather. It is Mother Nature. It's nature. It's nature. It's all nature, guys. We need water. Water we need to live. Live, right. Yes we do. It's all about it. Alright, I want to not talk right now. I want guys to guys, I would not talking right now. You guys just listen to this. Just listen to this weather. Listen to it. Close your eyes. Sleep. Every different thoughts about this weather. It's all nature. It's all nature, guys. Guys, if you want to fall asleep in this weather, you can. Guys, I want you to close your eyes and sleep. Listen to this weather going on right now. Guys, I'm gonna get 50 50,000 likes. If you guys want to fall asleep with this weather, yeah, go to sleep, guys. Guys, why don't you go to sleep with this? I'm making this video for 10 hours video of thunderstorm right now. I want you guys to sleep through this thunderstorm. Right? Let's do it. Enjoy this video. Enjoy this. Guys, go to sleep, guys. Let's listen to this weather. Hey, what's up, man? Hey. You alright? Close your eyes. Guys, close your eyes right now and sleep through this. Got it? Alright, cool. Mixer. Close your eyes. I want you to go to sleep. Just listen to this. The thunderstorms right now. Enjoy this. Enjoy this video. Enjoy it. You'll love it. Guys, this weather is so beautiful. Cloudy, rain, wet, lightning, thunder. Sleep through it right now. Close your eyes. Just sleep through it. Enjoy this video. And smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell for notification to this. This is all about this weather. It's all about. And enjoy. Guys, now, guys, that's it, guys. Thank you for so, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now you can wake up now. Guys, open your eyes right now. Guys, I want to tell you guys to go to sleep. Enjoy the sound, right? I did. Now you can open your eyes now. That's great. Guys, see you guys next video, right? Next video be later on today. See you guys afternoon, guys. Love you. Bye.